Here in this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can embed fonts using Word, Microsoft Word. Now, embedded fonts are font files that are included in a document so that the font is available when the document is open on a different device or platforms. Now, if you are to upload your books on Ingram Spark, there is a need for you to embed your fonts. And most cases, when your fonts are not embedded, Ingram Spark will reject the manuscript. They will reject the manuscript. Then, how can we embed fonts using Microsoft Word? All you just have to do is go to your file, then click on export. Then once you click on export, you will see create PDF/SPS document. Click on it, then come to create PDF/ click on this. Then you will be asked to save this file. But before you save this file, you will see optimize for standard publishing online and printing. Then you will see the second option, minimum size publishing online. Make sure standard publishing online and printing is clicked. Then click on the options. Once you click on the options, you will see list of options there. Then PDF options must be clicked. PDF/A compliant. Make sure this particular option is picked. Once you have to save, after it is clicked, then you click on OK. Then publish in PDF with embedded fonts. This is how you create you embed fonts using Microsoft Word. Thank you very much. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell just to receive more videos on how you can publish and make money online. Thank you very much.